tell me if this sounds familiar. It's late at night, the house is finally quiet, you lie down hoping for rest, but your mind, it is racing, right? You replay the arguments, the undone chores, the guilt of not spending enough time with your kids, the worry of tomorrow's bills. It feels like carrying a bag of rocks into bed. No wonder sleep feels heavy. But here is the truth, you don't need an hour of meditation or a spa day to feel lighter. All you need is just 5 minutes with your journal. Let me walk you through a ritual that has changed nights for so many moms, and it will change yours too. Now, step one is the dump. That is, take your journal, just pour everything out. Don't think, don't edit. Write the half burnt curry, the email you forgot, the worry about school fees, silly irritation that still lingers in your mind, all these things. No, think of your mind like a cluttered kitchen sink. Unless you clear it, you can't start fresh tomorrow. So, this page is your sink. Dump it all here. When it is out of your head and onto paper, your mind finally exhales. Now, let me give you three prompts that will help you do this. First is, what is weighing on me right now? Second is, what unfinished task is replaying in my head? Third is, what small irritation or thought do I want to let out? Okay, so just please note down the instruction. Don't polish your words. I just want you to write. No filtering. Okay, if it is messy, it is absolutely fine. Now, the second step is the gratitude line. So I want you to pause. Write down one thing you are grateful for today, just one. Maybe it was your child's laughter during dinner. Maybe it was a 5 minutes of tea you savored in silence. It was a small win at work. Whatever it is, please write it down. And this is like lighting a candle in a dark room. That single flame shifts the atmosphere, right? From chaos to calmness, right? So from pressure to presence. So same way. Please do that. And let me give you three prompts for this also. One is one moment today that made me smile was. Second is one small blessing I noticed today is. Third, today I'm thankful that. Fill it in. Okay. So just keep it short. One line is enough. Okay. Like a candle in the dark room, right? And step three is release. So choose one thing to release. It could be guilt, maybe guilt for shouting when you were tired, or could be stress, the weight of unfinished tasks, or simply the fatigue your body is carrying. So write I release and then fill it in. As your pen moves, take a long breath out, imagining the heaviness leaving you. And this moment is like putting down that bag of rocks at the roadside and walking free. Okay, so let me give you three prompts for this also. Today, I release the guilt off. Second is I choose to let go of the stress about. Third is I release the belief that I fill it in. Okay? And instructions here, imagine exhaling as you write, see the weight leaving your body and landing on the page. Now, step four is the gentle plan. Finally, close your day with a whisper of tomorrow, not a long list, not 20 goals, just one gentle intention. Like, I'll start my day with 10 minutes of reading. I will finish that one priority task before lunch. Or even tomorrow, I will smile more often. It doesn't matter what it is. What matters is that you close today with hope instead of pressure. So your mind relaxes knowing tomorrow has some direction. Okay. Now, three prompts for this. First is tomorrow, my gentle focus will be. Second is the one thing that will make tomorrow lighter is. And third one is tomorrow, I want to feel. Fill it in. Okay. So here, don't write a long to do list, just one line that gives you direction and not pressure. Right. And that's it. Just 5 minutes for you and four steps. Just empty your mind. Note one gratitude, release one weight, set one intention. So, this is not just journaling, it is self care for you. It's your way of saying, I did enough today and I am enough today. So, try this tonight itself. Let your journal hold your stress so your heart doesn't have to. And notice how much lighter you feel as you drift into sleep. And inside my Millionaire Mom program, we practice simple yet powerful rituals like this, not only for productivity and money, but also for peace of mind and emotional freedom. Because when a mom ends her night in peace, she wakes up the next day not just rested, but ready to rise as the millionaire mom she truly is.